to your channel, Nomadic Hippie.
Let's see if I got this right. Am I on camera? I think I'm getting on camera. Hold on. Let me get out here in the snow real fast. Welcome everybody to a quick little test video of this new saramonic 500, I think is what it's called. A new little microphone. If you can see, I'm pretty far away from the camera. I'm probably now about 15 steps away from the camera. You guys are way over there. I could keep on going, I'm thinking. Just, there's snow on the ground. I'm out here in the middle of South Dakota, and I figured what better place to test how far you can get away from a camera, still get good audio, than out here in the wide open spaces. It is January 13th at the moment. Still a little bit chilly outside. So let's take this video back into the truck. I don't want to stay out here too long. I was outside not realizing that I didn't turn the gimbal on. I turned the camera on, but not the gimbal. Anyway, so this here is the Blink 500 transmitter by Saramonic. Saramonic, kind of a crazy word. This here's another great test. Not only can I get some distance away from, you know, the camera, also right at this very moment we're inside of a tractor trailer, a truck, a big rig, and the engine is actually running because it's cold outside, right? It's freezing cold. Well, not really. It's cold enough to where I don't want to be outside, but the engine's running, keeping the air conditioner going. But not only is the truck motor running, I have a trailer back there that has an engine, a diesel motor on it too, that is also running at the moment. So this is kind of a good test if this thing's picking up any background noise. So you got the outside distance and also a little bit of noise, probably from the wind. And you also get the truck noise from in here, if there is any. And you get a cat that just likes, thank God the camera's up taller than the cat at the moment. But she's actually rubbing up against the transmitter at them. I wonder if cats can block the signal. We'll just have to see. Anyway, this is pretty much my first test with this, so I don't know what the audio sounds like yet. I'm gonna put it together and just non-edit it, put it out there, and let you guys decide what this thing is like, and if something like this can help you in your video, in your audio of your video. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, so all the audio coming from this right now is from, like I said, Saramonic Blink 500 transmitter. So it does have a built-in microphone also, right there. But obviously I have it connected to a lav mic, and I just put this on the belt loop of my swim trunks, and I can just walk around freely. And if I don't have my lav mic with me and I just have this little clip thing, I could just clip this on the shirt instead. Just put it, you know, and take this off and put this on my shirt or in my shirt pocket and continue on, and it should probably do a decent job. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and unplug the lav mic and see what this sounds like. Ready? Okay, right now I should be just talking to you with this right here. This is my microphone. Testing. Testing. Cat, you want to say something? You want to say something? She doesn't want to say nothing. Let's plug this back in. Just okay. Well, there you go. So first video test for the audio of the Saramonic Blink 500. Picked this up. Well, a friend picked this up, a very dear friend picked this up for me at Colonial Hobby and Camera, I think is the name of the company, in Orlando, Florida. So you could check them out. Just type in Colonial Camera on Google, I'm sure it'll pop up. And tell them, hey, Nomadic Hippie sent you. Do you guys have any more of these things? We want one. And yeah, and have them just mail you one, and in case you're not in Orlando. Why am I leaning closer thinking there's a microphone there? The microphone's right here. It is so weird being free and not having to worry about microphones and just being able to walk off and do crazy things. I don't know. It could be fun, and hopefully it will be fun. Until the next time, guys, I love you all. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I got my next upcoming video is going to be about the issues I've been having with Bix Wireless. That's a video you're not going to want to miss. It's exciting. Until the next time, I love you guys. Peace out, everybody.